Just a quick video showing an installation. I'll do something more in depth later on, but we've got a bar here, a simple tie bar that just holds a pipe and the tissue. As you can see, I've just done that to override the switch that says that the cover's open. So let's just very quickly set up a print nozzle test just so you can see it working. Print. And there you go, you can see it moving. Just see it with the cover down. No, you can actually lift the cover up and clear the pipe. And there you can see the print result.